driving home for Christmas, yeah.
I'm just gonna go for it. Just a reminder to everyone that I'm 22 and Hannah is 21.
Gordon Ramsay, who? Children listen, I can hear sleigh bells in the snow.
Well, that was a nice little way to start this video, wasn't it? So guys, as you know, a few friends and I actually went to the NFL American football game. We absolutely loved it. So much so, we're gonna have a little American themed day today. So I'm on my way to go and pick up Fred and we are gonna cook a Thanksgiving dinner today. Fred, I've got you a little present.
Yeah, go on.
Look down by your feet.
No way.
Yes way. Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving! So this is Christmas. Should I do the harmony? I'm driving home for Christmas, yeah.
So, obviously, we don't have Thanksgiving in the UK. However, I know that in America it is a massive thing. So I thought we'd try it out today. You actually learned a lot when we went to the game, didn't you?
It was a lot to take in.
You loved the Mexican wave, didn't you?
Oh my god, we was all doing this.
Ready? Oh, yeah.
It was just amazing. I didn't miss my go.
Should we do one now?
Yeah, ready?
Ready? How good are you at cooking? Scale of 1 to 10, Fred.
I can cook a mean ready meal, but I've never used an oven.
Never. We both have our jerseys on, ready for our American themed day. Fred is wearing a Carolina Panthers jersey. This is the one you actually wore to the game, isn't it?
It is, it's my favourite one.
And I am wearing this New Orleans Saints jersey. I don't know if it's Orleans or Orleans.
I think it's Orleans because Dolly Parton sings about Orleans, didn't she?
That's Jolene.
Oh.
Let's get cooking.
Woo!
Woo! Okay, here's all our ingredients for our Thanksgiving dinner. So obviously we've got the turkey, we've got some stuffing, we've got some vegetables, some green beans, some carrots and some corn. Apparently that's massive in America to have corn with Thanksgiving dinner. Did you know that?
I didn't, but I like sweet corn, so I'm fine with it.
Me too, love that for us. Got some potatoes to make some mash. We've got some rolls, which apparently is a big thing with Thanksgiving dinner, and some cranberry sauce. You ready for this, Fred?
I mean, as ready as I'm ever gonna be. Happy Thanksgiving, but we're gonna give thanks.
These cost a tenner on Amazon. £10.
Did you get the receipt?
We just came across the first issue. So oven was preheated. We lost the turkey. We couldn't remember where we put it, but we found it. We remembered that we put it in the baking tray. Anyway, she's going in the oven now. Bye. Right, little update. Neither of us have ever cooked a roast before, and the timings of putting things on is quite difficult.
So confusing.
We bought the easiest stuffing possible. It smells amazing.
Smells delicious. I'm good at this part.
All systems go, innit, Fred?
Let's do this, Gordon Ramsay, who?
About half an hour later, we've got the turkey and the stuffing in there. We've got these on, the potatoes are cooking, our veg is ready to cook in a little while. We've smashed it, Fred.
I'm exhausted.
I mean, you ain't done much, hun.
I've had a cup of tea. I mean, you have done most of the work, but watching you is exhausting.
It's actually been a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Who knew that I could cook a roast? Oh my god, this is one of my New Year's resolutions. Learn how to cook a roast.
What, in 2019 or 2020?
No, 2018. I didn't achieve it, so now it's 2019.
This looks like perfect mash.
Lovely mash.
Lovely mash.
We've smashed it.
Guys, I had one job, and that was to put the drinks on the table. It's gone everywhere. Have you got any one sheet plenty? Have you?
At least it didn't go on Terry. Terry's fine. He survived the tsunami. I'll go get you a one sheet.
Have you actually got... I hope you wrote a will just in case this kills us. I love a green bean.
Right, oh my god, I'm excited for this.
It looks amazing. Can I apply the mint sauce?
Yeah, Fred has mint sauce on his roast. We're aware that this isn't like a Thanksgiving tradition.
Yeah.
Or an English tradition. Fred is just odd.
I don't like vegetables, so the only way I can eat them is mint sauce.
So this is the roast that we've cooked up. His Fred's with his mint sauce.
I've took a bit of my brie.
I actually think this looks really good. Let me know if you're from America. Does this look like a pretty standard Thanksgiving dinner? Oh, we forgot the sweet corn.
Oh, where is it?
Never fear, sweet corn is here. Corn is like a really important part of it, I think, in America.
A disclaimer, Han did 96% of this dinner.
I mean, you mixed the stuff in and you
mashed the mash.
the gravy, mashed the mash.
Yeah.
So Fred, What are 3 things that you're thankful for? Let's give our thanks
Yeah.
on Thanksgiving.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, you've got to say what you're grateful for, I think.
Oh, I thought you'd give presents. Okay, so I'm thankful for the friends I have in my life, family I have in my life. Small, but it's enough. And I'm thankful for being able to do the career that I'd love and always wanted to do. What about you?
I'm thankful for my family being so supportive, like, of my job and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I'm thankful for my job because it's a cool job to have. And I'm thankful for, food.
Yeah.
So many flavours in the world, aren't there? Like, I'm thankful to be able to actually, like, afford food, but also just generally for how good food tastes.
Why don't England celebrate it?
Because we're ungrateful. As a nation, I do think we're polite, but I don't think we really take time to reflect and stuff. Like, in the UK, everyone's always rushing, everyone's so busy.
What's your verdict of the bun?
Oh, I haven't tried it yet.
It's not for me, I don't think I'm going to be eating it. Do they, like, take a bit of the bun and mix it with their dinner?
I don't really know. Maybe I should have researched it a bit more. I don't hate it.
You're not against it, totally?
I'm not totally against it. You love a bit of mash, don't you?
Live for mash.
I prefer roast potato, me. Let us know in the comments down below. Do you prefer mash, roast potatoes? What else is there? Boiled potatoes? No one's going to pick that.
Oh, no.
I'm still going to crack on, but you've enjoyed that?
Yeah, crack on.
Are you thankful for your...
I'm very thankful for my thankful dinner. Giving thanks dinner. Thanksgiving. I'll get it in the end.
So fast forward about half an hour and we're now making a pumpkin pie because I read on Google that Americans love a bit of pumpkin pie on Thanksgiving. So in here, I've just said to Fred, right, we've got to get out some evaporated milk. So Fred, if you had to guess, what do you think evaporated milk is?
Well, evaporation means when it's not there, so I think it's just pretending to put milk in the pie without putting milk in.
So you don't think it needs milk?
Well, no, not if it's evaporated.
I don't know why it's called evaporated milk, but it's like a cream.
Oh.
2 components of the pumpkin pie. The pie and the pumpkin. So apparently this is the last step. All we've got to do is pour it in. I feel like this isn't right.
I don't know if it is either. Looks like a massive tart, doesn't it?
Is there meant to be a top on it or not?
I don't know.
I don't know if I spilled it.
That wouldn't be funny. Have you done it? Have you spilled it?
Don't make me laugh, right?
Alright, I won't breathe. Oh, you're tipping it a little bit, babe. Just put it down, there we go.
Oh my god, my heart was literally in my mouth then. Right, so Fred, I've got a few different NFL jerseys here.
Yeah.
And I'm going to let you try on whatever one you want. Let's decide which ones we like best.
Okay, let's do it.
You know that scene in like Hannah Montana where she's trying on all the clothes before the show?
Yeah.
That's going to be us. Here is...
Here I am!
When I wore this one, I wore this as a little t-shirt dress. And it looked so cute. I absolutely loved it. So I got this in a size, I believe medium, so that it was a little bit oversized. And I put this with my Doc Martens, a little Baker Boy hat, a little backpack. It looked so cute. But look at you wearing it, Fred.
I like how unisex they are.
Yeah, same. So this one is a New York Giants jersey. Barkley, give us a spin, Barkley. There we go, he's learned how to spin. So the next jersey is this one, and this is also a Carolina Panthers jersey, which matches the one that Fred was wearing. And I actually wore this one to the NFL game and I absolutely loved it. I feel like this colour is really complimentary of my skin tone, my hair colour and things like that. And... And the final jersey is this New England jersey.
This reminds me of High School Musical, you know when they're like, High School
Oh no, Wildcats. Wildcats
That's
in
it.
the air.
That's the way we do it. Let's get to it. Come on, everyone.
So this one is Tom Brady's jersey. Brady, Brady, Brady. I really like this one. I feel like this colour suits you, Fred.
Yeah, I like it. I really like it. Red and white are definitely my fave, I think.
I think with this one, I put a little white belt around it in my video, and I absolutely loved the way it looked. Put some red sunnies with it as well. Loved them.
Love a red sun.
So if you are interested in any of these jerseys, you can check them out on the NFL website. I will leave a link in the description down below.
They're definitely worth the money, 100%.
Definitely, they feel such nice quality.
Yeah.
My dad's trying to steal them from me. He's like, can I have one? I was like, no, I will wear them all. Okay, so the game I've bought, could you get a better Thanksgiving American football game? So this, my friends, is pin the hat on the turkey who's playing American football. Here's Fred, he's all ready with his blindfold on. Have you got your hat? Show us your hat. There it is. So you've got to spin around 3 times, Fred. 1, 2,
3.
No, that's 2. Go one more. Okay, go. Pin your hat on your turkey.
I've got to feel it.
Oh God. Smashed it.
Have I? Oh, now it looks like he's jumped and lost his hat. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
There's the wall. Oh, there's the light. Oh, you was closer than me. Oh, so close.
Go.
That's mine. That's yours. Oh, for goodness sake! Just a reminder to everyone that I'm 22 and Hannah is 21. Oh God, he can't see.
Oh, God,
Oh no, that was close.
The lines are here where it needs to be.
Oh, I might get this one.
1, 2, 3.
I'm just gonna go for it.
Oh, Fred.
Oh. Here we go. You've won.
Oh,
You've definitely,
that was so close.
You've definitely won.
Anyway, Fred, I reckon our pumpkin pie's ready now.
Oh, let's have some.
Let's try a bit of pumpkin pie. Do you know what, guys? Don't know why I ever doubted myself. I mean, I do a little bit because it does look a little bit crispy, but this smells delish. Not quite sure how I feel about there being a vegetable in this though. I mean, it didn't look the most appetizing in the tin, but it smells lovely. Got a little bit of whipped cream to go with it. This is gonna be our first time ever trying pumpkin pie. If you are American, please let me know. Is this what a pumpkin pie is supposed to look like? I mean, this is the only picture I had to go off, so judging by that, have you smashed it, Han? Have you? Also would like to quickly point out that I literally made this entire pie using the ingredients on the back of this tin. I'm sure there's probably a better method online if you searched it, but I thought, you know what? Surely that can't be too far wrong. Are you nervous?
Yeah.
I'm a little bit nervous as well. So we've got our pumpkin pie. It's an odd texture, it's kind of like moussey. Fred doesn't like whipped cream either, but I feel like the cream's gonna make it better.
Ready? Oh God, I can't.
Oh, I'm not sure about that.
It is like a pumpkin quiche, isn't it?
It's a weird texture.
I mean, if I was on death row, I'd eat it.
Yeah, maybe in America they're made like with more ingredients, and also maybe if you don't use just the back of the tin to make it, maybe that would be a better recipe.
Yeah.
So guys, to finish our little American day, I am showing Fred the Super Bowl. In the Super Bowl, right, Fred? They play the football game, and then at half time they have like a massive performance. So this was 5 years ago. Look at this stadium. How insane is that? Look how many people were there. How mad, this is literally like a Beyonce concert. People have like massive Super Bowl parties. Should we see if we can get ourselves to Super Bowl one day?
Yeah.
But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing our Thanksgiving day. I reckon we should crack open a beer like we did at the actual game and like reminisce.
Love a beer.
I'm impressed that I managed to cook a roast today, I'm not gonna lie to you.
My help. I was more of your assistant, weren't I?
Every chef needs an assistant.
Yeah.
But anyway, I want to say a big thank you to NFL for very kindly sponsoring this video. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to see my future videos. But for now, thanks for watching. I hope you're having a lovely week, and I'll see you again soon with another little video. Bye guys.
Bye.
Oh.
Did you hear that?